welcome back to another week of house hunting with Rochielin. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are looking at a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, living, kitchen and office area apartment here in Kingston, Jamaica, and it is going for 32.5 million Jamaican dollars. Of course, I'm joined by a realtor. Her name is Sandra Forbes, and you guys have seen her in the last video. Welcome.
Hello, Rochielin. Hi, fam. I really feel like family now.
Okay. Awesome. So she's gonna take us around, and you know, as usual, if you are interested in this property, then definitely contact her. Her details are found in the description bar below. All right, so it's time to get into the video.
Oh,
you know the drill, right?
Yeah, I do. I'm learning.
All right, lead off.
I thought we were gonna do the let's go, let's go, let's go.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin. Let's go.
Let's go.
So welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, living, kitchen, and office area as mentioned before. Sandra, I'm going to allow you to take it away.
Hello, everybody. So this unit, as you know, if you notice, this unit is furnished. So it was actually used for short-term rental. So the owner is now selling.
All right.
So when you step into this apartment, he has made good use of space. So this is your living area. Right, and you have this massive TV on the wall, so it's comfy, cozy.
Yes, and I love the bless your home
and the
sign.
Bless your home. Yes, that's always important. So it's not a bad space.
It's not. We could use some wire management.
Yes, it could, because you can now hide your cables.
Hide all the cables.
So it makes it look a lot neater rather than everything hanging out and stuff. So yeah, that's a good suggestion.
Yeah.
If we turn to the back, so let's go. See, I'm sounding like the let's go, let's go. All right, we're actually coming into the kitchen area. So this is a breakfast counter, lunch counter, dinner counter, whatever you want to make it into. But a lot of the units are coming with the breakfast counters because there's not enough space for a dining room table. Yeah. So this space works perfectly if you want to eat. I mean, most of us eat in the couch, and Rochielin, where do you eat? In her bed.
On the floor.
On the floor. So it's perfect for that kind of thing. And
so
then
after I prepare the meal over here, then
that's right. Then you serve me
there.
right here while I watch TV over there. So it's perfect.
Yeah.
And it holds everything. It has your fridge, your stove, your microwave, all the appliances are here. So it can work for the ladies and men who like to cook.
Yeah.
This is great.
And then if you have children too, children sit here.
Yes.
And, you know,
if you can handle that, yes, you can.
So to the kitchen now, I like the fact that there's a lot of storage area.
Lots of cupboards.
Lots of
on
cupboards.
the top, down the bottom.
Lots of drawers.
Right.
And all of that. A nice big stove, a nice big fridge, a nice big microwave.
Everything is nice and big.
I like when things are nice and big.
Okay.
Yes.
Me too.
So tell us, does the apartment come with the appliances?
No, but what you can do, the owner has said, if you're interested in any of the pieces, there can be a discussion.
Okay.
On the purchase of the appliances, anything in the room really. So.
Okay.
It's
and
really
points
between.
Of note, for my international followers, many times the appliances come with the apartment, whether you're renting or for sale, but it's not typical or standard
in Jamaica.
of Jamaicans to sell or rent the apartment with appliances. While some do, it's not like a given, you know, so that's the reason for the question. We just have to be sure. So you can negotiate a price to get the appliances, but it doesn't necessarily come.
And negotiate to get the furniture.
And the furniture.
Right. So it's up to the prospect as to what they want.
Yeah. And then over here to the sink, I'm seeing a nice big oven and a nice faucet.
A fancy faucet.
And how this work? Oh, it come off.
Oh wow. Okay.
All right.
But it is nice.
Yeah. I must say, I'm liking the lighting. the light fixtures.
Yes, it's nice. It illuminates the apartment.
Definitely.
And stuff. And there's AC in here. It's an inverter. Oh, yeah. So saves electricity and stuff. So everything is here. Nice and cozy. We're going over to
this area.
A workspace. And with COVID, more and more homes are trying to convert somewhere in the home for office, homework space, school space, having meetings. I mean, we're doing everything from the home now. So this is ideal.
Yeah.
You don't need to do anything. So while you're working, your child could be there doing their homework. So you're managing and monitoring lots of shelves, put your files. But it's nice.
It's always good having a dedicated workspace or work area, and then it stopped off with a lot of storage.
Right.
You know, so that's, and it's right off of the living room, so you can still watch TV if you really want to, but you can always just
focus on work
in this area.
Yes.
So I like that. But for me, I would have put all my camera lenses up there and all my gadgets. And you have a big notice board.
You have your cork board, notice board, reminder.
Yes.
So it's perfect.
All right, so let's move into this room now.
Let's go into the bedroom.
Let's go. This is bedroom 1 or 2?
This is bedroom 1. So if you notice, once you come in here, your walk-in closet is right on your right-hand side. So it's closet, you can do your ironing, whatever you choose. It's space, you can do storage. Lots of space to do lots of things. So it's nice and compact. Nice high doors. You notice the height of the doors, actually, they're like 8 feet high. So it gives you that sense of depth.
Yes.
So you don't feel as claustrophobic. This room, as I said before, it was used for short-term rental. If you notice, there's a triple bunk bed.
You know, I didn't realize that there were 3.
It's triple. So if you have triplets or you have friends coming over or whatever, it's a nice, it can hold 3 people quite comfortably.
That's interesting.
So triple bunk bed.
All right.
Then we head into the stylish bathroom.
You know me.
And I know you gotta go in the shower. So it has your sink on the top. Lovely shower, rain head, lovely lights, everything in here.
Yeah.
So it's gorgeous.
It's not very wide.
No, but you have the length.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very narrow.
And you're not staying very long inside there, so it shouldn't be an
So
issue.
you feel?
Right? You're going and you come out.
That you feel?
That me know. Me not just feel, me know. Lots of space. If you notice in the bathroom, a lot of the bathrooms are showers now. They're not the bathtub. It's becoming, but the in thing. I don't particularly like a bath. I don't know what you prefer. A lot of people, the showers, right? It's easy to access to, especially for elderly people.
Yeah.
The shower is easier to handle. I never take a bath. Oh, she never takes a bath.
I take showers.
I
don't
showers.
like the idea of like sitting in my own mess. I like the or if I'm gonna take a bath, I take a shower first and then take a bath.
So it go.
Yeah,
okay.
man.
Well, she's special.
You walk
just
on
let
the
you
floor
know.
with the dirt and then you put it in the bath.
Never think about that, you know.
No.
And especially with COVID, you don't know what you're carrying on your feet.
All of that too. So I'm gonna take a shower before the bath if I'm taking a bath. But
so shower we are going with now. Now that you mention, I never thought of that, but now you say it, you're right. You sit in that tub with what was on your feet.
Yeah.
Okay. No more bathtubs. Shower, we say.
Alright, let's move on. So now we move to the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom.
Voila! So when you come in this bedroom now, you don't want to come out. This is a queen size bed, so you don't necessarily want to put a king size that's gonna fill the room.
What's the size of this room?
It's around 13 by 12.
Okay. 13
feet by 12 feet, so it's a good size, but I would recommend that you don't fill it with a king size bed. Keep the
sure.
queen size bed so you can have your accent chair, you can have your dresser, and they've even set up a little workstation over there. And you notice the size of the TV.
But I mean, considering that there's a workspace outside,
yeah, you don't really need that. Yes, so it'll free up more space in the room.
Yeah, for sure.
Right. So, and then again, you step into the bathroom. So, Rochelle, I don't know, Rochelle, you want to test the size of the shower?
Of course.
Actually, it looks a little smaller. So again, sink top.
All right, so it's a good enough size. You know, you have some wiggle room.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And you still have this
the rain shower,
overhead shower, and all of that.
And your standard tub.
Standard
bath,
tub.
kitchen. Where am I? Bathroom. Bathroom.
Okay.
Drawer space. And look at this bed too. I didn't realize it. It has storage at the bottom. So this is always good to get.
So this room has a ceiling fan with lights. So that's amazing. And then it also has air conditioning. So you know.
And then you have a window.
And you have a window
if you
for
want natural ventilation. Yes. So
and
you
we
do.
have not spoken about the walk-in closet.
Oh, I forgot about this.
How could we forget?
Okay. All right. Not a bad size, and it lots of shelves.
Yeah.
So you can do what you want, and then you can put your suitcases up top here.
And of course, you can configure the space to
whatever you want.
You like.
Yes.
And pack stuff all the way on the top and all of that. And then, you know, there's a chest of drawer here that you can use if you choose to. Now we're back out in the living room, and there's a balcony area over here.
Yes, there is.
It's not very big. It's a little tiny.
No, it is, but you can you can walk with it.
Yeah.
You know. And you want us to have a little seat out here, so
it's like a little
Sunday morning.
A little smoke spot.
A little smoke spot. Okay.
A little reasoning. You just want some fresh air, be on the outside. And then if you guys come along, let's show you what's downstairs. You know, you're seeing the washing area with the clotheslines and the wash bins, you know, and then if you look to the left over there, there's a swimming pool area all the way over there. And then there's a nice backyard for persons to go outside and get some fresh air.
And you do see a little of the mountain view. You have to look high.
Look high.
It's there, but you just have to look high.
Yeah. And we are back in the living room. So this is basically it. Right? Anything else you'd like to add?
No, it's a relatively new complex. It's about 3 years old. There are about 36 units in total on the building. It does come with an elevator. And you have a little entertainment space on the top. What is nice about this complex too, when you enter through the front door, you enter into a lobby area. An open space that the owners can use to entertain guests if they want to put a couch out there, and that would be a decision by the complex. But you don't just step up into the unit, you step up into an open area. So it's slightly different than our regular apartments, but I noticed that a lot of apartments are putting this in place. A little lobby area on each floor.
Okay, the only difference with this one is that it is not furnished. So everyone has to come together and furnish.
Yes, and furnish the common areas and stuff. So
I mean, a lot of the apartments, they already come all decked out.
Yes, this one doesn't. So it's 5 minutes from New Kingston, 10 minutes from Ligoni. It's across from the AC Hotel.
Yeah.
And the BMW
the new
car
BMW
building, right, and stuff. So the location is nice.
Yeah, it is pretty central. You are smack in the middle of New Kingston.
Yes, you pretty much are.
Things.
The business center.
Yeah.
So the location is good, and the fact that it's gated and secure 24-hour, there are cameras. So
and there's underground parking.
Oh, and there's underground parking. So it's a good location. And it's also a good location if you're looking for this property as an investment property.
For sure.
So depending on what you want it for. So this is Hamptons at
Fairway. And it's at 16 Fairway Avenue.
That's right.
Here in Kingston, Jamaica. Did we show them the washroom? I feel like we did not.
No.
Let's head to the washroom real quick.
Okay.
It's right off of the living room.
That's right.
And it has a dedicated washer dryer area and a
Double
tub.
stacker and a tub.
Yeah. So it's indoor laundry, and we know the importance of having an indoor laundry area.
And the water heater is also housed in here. It's easy to access if there's an issue. Again, it's additional storage.
So you just close the top?
Yes, to make the place look nice and
We're
neat.
back in the living room. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. You've seen the entire apartment. It's all 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom, living, kitchen, office
Study area, right.
laundry, all of that. So if you're interested, definitely reach out to Sandra, whose details will be in the description bar below. And additionally, if you have any land, house, apartment, church, building, private, commercial, anything that you want to be promoted, sold, rented, definitely reach out to me, rochielin.business@gmail.com. And you can use this platform to promote your property, and you can use Sandra's services to actually sell them. Cool?
Cool.
Sounds good, right?
Sounds good, yes.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find something that you're looking for, and I hope that you'll contact Sandra to get this apartment if it's something that you're interested in. And I just want to say thanks again, and I'll see you in Wednesday's vlog video and next week house hunting video. Bye.
Bye everybody.